Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going how to find the GCE exam results. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So in your web browser, you will need just to type the GCE results and then it will take you to the portal where you can find out about your results or where you can find your name. So here we need just to type the GCE results, and here we will find the GCE board website. And from here, you will just to go to the link where you can find out your GCE results. And here we click on this link, and basically we will find this landing page. So from here, we need just to go to the lists, and to find this, you will need just to go down here, and basically you can download the results below. You will need just to choose which exam or certificate examination that you have passed. You want the general certification of education, and all you need to do now is just to click on it, and then it will take you to the results PDF or file. And from here, you can see all these pages. They are containing the name of candidates. And basically, you need just to search for your name. You can try to use Control F so you can find name. So we can just type it like that. And as you can see, it's already like find this name here if you wanted. And you can start going down and you can search for your name for easier or for easy researching instead of going through each name uh, here. So you will need just to type your name in the research bar. You can find it also here. So if we go here, we can find the research bar somewhere here in the tools, and basically you need just to go for more tools. And otherwise, if you don't find it on your web browser, you will need just to type or click on Control plus F and you will have that bar. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.